Hi there, so this next activity we're going to show you is from Let's Go 3, and again it's from Unit 2, and the target language here is where are you now, or where were you this morning. So for this activity what we do is, in this example I'm using the smaller table, but usually we'd have the bigger tables probably for this class. And what I do first of all is I put the vocabulary cards around the table like this, and I make sure that there's enough cards for each student in the class to have one card in the first time we play it. Now what the children would do, they walk around the table, and when I say stop they have to run and stand on the card. Now in the first example I would then say, where are you now? And for example the child that is stood here would say, I am in the nurse's office. And after we've all had, each child has done their example, I'll take one card away. So now obviously there's not enough cards for each student to get on a card each, so it's kind of a bit of a race, a bit of a battle. So you do need to be careful that none of the children are getting too physical with each other. So again here we'll do like walking, maybe some other actions, you know, you can jumping, running, swimming, whatever, just to practice a bit of TPR as well. And then I'd say stop, and each child runs onto a card and one child will be left out. Now what the child that's left out, will be their job to then ask the question to the other students, okay, where are you now? And each child has to answer, and the one child will stand off to the side and ask the question. Then again, I'll take another card away, and we'll continue it one more time, and again another child will come out, so then there'll probably be two children over here whose responsibility is to ask the question. They'll ask the question to the other kids, okay, where are you now? Each child answers until we get down to just one card left. Okay, now obviously it can be a bit like musical chairs. Sometimes kids will loiter around cards and things like that. You need to make sure that you keep them moving around, and again it can be a little bit dangerous, I suppose, if they try and rush too much or push each other around, so you need to set some rules for the game. Also, you can extend this game rather than it just being about where are you now. You can practice it for where were you before, and the objective there is to remember the card that you were on the last time you played rather than the card you're standing on now. So that adds a bit more difficulty to it and helps reinforce that other target language. Okay, thanks very much.